Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Namar ka jingbamla ka sorkar ban pinbiang ya ki Jaka Sumar shi ki Jaka bampat biang ka Surok ban pinsuk ekalit kawan ki pat ba bat kham tam ki papang basitam. Kementri Sorkar bapet ia katanat kakoi kakya kali jingtip bagi babon kilong kemi ki ba Armet bunsin ki letcha Sumar haki tu ki breu bajumlin ban pen khakun. Ya kini ke Dr. Mizil Ampirin kelalap na ke jinglet banyak kejet ke bahadu arkanta shiteng syaka shtong mau kruang ke berana Southwest Khasi Hills District ban let play ke sub center ke bajungai kumbakat pra kilometer na mau kruat. Halor kini ke Dr. Mizil Ampirin lingdo kalau ong baminta la Donkam Treilang bat kum kini kinong Sumar Khasi. Bat ngila sakhi bana kalyang jong Sarkar India minta kala pennet jimut haka jing Sumar Ayurveda Ayush bat homeopathy.
I just came back from Mokurwat, Southwest Khasi Hills District, and it is still alarming to know that pregnant women are still opting traditional healers for deliveries. We have fought the system for so long, and I feel that it is just correct for the Department of Health, who has anyways been looking at this important concern of involving the training of dyes or the traditional helpers who help women deliver their babies at home. We are looking at this big gap in institutional deliveries in that district alone, and I was under the impression that since we cannot deny a citizen of the right to decide whether they'll have the baby at home, in a sub-center in their own village, or will they come to a government facility or a private institution to help them deliver their baby safely, to take into consideration both mother and child health in this entire situation. So now we have to start looking at the integration of traditional practices, medicinal practices, and we have seen that Government of India now is concentrating a lot on Ayurveda and Ayush and homeopathy. So these are all the different forms of practices in the country and in the nation that are receiving the correct attention. So the advisory board now will look at these two important segments and give valuable advice to the government as to how we can go about and get over this entire problem that we are facing in the community today. Galia, having seen this in the background, have already now reached out to traditional healers and practitioners, especially in the matter of childbirth. We are now training the traditional healer, often called the Thei in many parts of the country, and certifying their practices, giving great attention on ensuring that there is safety to the mother. And in fact, these traditional healers are also now being advised to take especially high risk pregnant women to a facility, a medical facility, either run privately or by the government machinery itself, so that we can address the maternal deaths that were very high at one point in the state of Meghalaya. Today, post this intervention, we have seen that maternal deaths are reducing substantially.